Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the Millennium Cricket League, where the Novo Sunrisers met the Edison Eagles in an electrifying F40 Division B clash that promised a blaze of runs and wickets.
Indeed, Ravish, the stage was set for a showdown that would see either the Eagles soar or the Sunrisers' radiance eclipse their ambitions in this gripping encounter.
Today's face-off was made possible by our enthusiastic event advertisers, who infused the match with the same zest they bring to our cherished game of cricket.
We must also tip our hats to Diff Gen Pharmaceuticals for delivering boundary-breaking generics with the power of a Master Blaster 6, and to Faith Home Healthcare for driving home comfort and health with the precision of a straight drive.
The Sunrisers, after winning the toss and electing to bat, blazed a trail early on, but it was the Eagles who clawed back, applying pressure through tight bowling. The match was a rollercoaster, with the Sunrisers setting a modest target after a fiery knock from Ronald Rexon.
It was a game of shifting momentum, with the Eagles initially shackled but later breaking free in a stunning comeback. The Sunrisers' defense crumbled under the onslaught, and the Eagles timed their chase to perfection, underlining the importance of holding nerve in crucial moments.
The first innings showcased Ronald Rexon's stellar 89-run saga overshadowed by the Sunrisers' fall, their innings crumbling to a gritty Eagles bowling led by Abhishek Pathik's 4-wicket haul.
Strategically, the Eagles bowlers spun a web around the Sunrisers, wrapping up their innings with exceptional discipline, complemented by the fielders who turned the tide by strangling the flow of runs.
The Eagles flew out of the nest with intent, but faced turbulence. Akshat Gandhi's resilient 71 not out anchored their innings amidst the Sunrisers' defiant bowling, particularly from Tejasimha Ariga.
In the second innings, it was the Eagles' ability to forge valuable partnerships in the face of adversity, coupled with a few costly extras by the Sunrisers, that truly shaped the game's destiny.
Ronald Rexon's blazing bat and Tejasimha Ariga's incisive bowling made them the Sunrisers' standout performers, but Akshat Gandhi's unyielding spirit steered the Eagles to victory.
Gandhi's steadfast not-out innings became the cornerstone of the Eagles' chase, while Abhishek Pathik's 4-wicket spell earlier proved decisive in curtailing the Sunrisers' ambitions.
The Eagles completed a soaring 5-wicket comeback win, crafted through a strategic chase and resilient partnerships, proving that pressure can indeed forge diamonds on a cricket field.
A victory that will echo in the Edison Eagles' annals. This win not only reflects their tactical acumen but also the indomitable spirit needed to turn games around. Catchers win matches, they say, and today's game encapsulated that old adage. It's the moments of brilliance in the field that rattled the Sunrisers, setting the stage for an Eagles triumph.
As dusk falls on today's clash, we commemorate the Eagles' comeback and Rexon's fiery knock that lit up the field. This match will serve as a harbinger for exhilarating battles ahead in the league.